NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see the previous week has closed with this candle at the resistance level, and on a Monday the price has formed a bullish break at above 21,509, where the price continued to rise in value next day, but before that the price has bounced from this area of support at 21,255. We can see that after this bullish break has been formed, the details about the next move has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, so they have been informed when the price has formed a bullish breakout and also what was the target. So if you would like to receive also these information with the updates during the week when the bullish or bearish breakout happens, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. Now we can see the price formed the bullish breakout on a Wednesday and a Thursday has been confirmed, but on a Friday the price returned back down and it has currently at the support level at 21,799. Weekly time frame in the previous week formed this bullish candle, almost bullish engulfing candle, and we can see it has continued to rise in value, reaching 21,799 resistance level, and we can see it is a bullish week for now. How the month will close, well, we will see. The bearish pin bar has been formed in the previous month. Currently, he's been invalidated with this bullish candle. So if the next week, which is the last week in this month, if it stays like this, it will be probably closed as a bullish candle, and it will be a continuation of this bullish movement. Significant bullish momentum is still active on the market. Now, let's go to the daily time frame. Now, it's very important to see how the Monday will close, because we can see that this bullish breakout has been confirmed, but the Friday candle suggesting there is some kind of a selling momentum. Sellers are waiting here, and there is a potential that the price could make a breakout, but everything suggests that we could go further rising in value. So we'll see when the price managed to go on the 4-hour time frame, returns above 21,916. This will be indication of the further rise in value. Now we can see when the price formed this bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame, it has been confirmed, but the next day we can see it has been invalidated with this bullish breakout. So this could also happen like this, because this bearish breakout has been confirmed where the price did not go above 21,799, but if the next candle 4-hour time frame closes above 21,799, this will indication of the further rise in value, reaching 21,916. Now, if this happens, and also some kind of a bullish or bearish breakout, this will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check and also join. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.